Okay, so welcome guys, and today I'm going to show you how to bring three shots in one frame, like the one you're seeing in front of you right now. So, how to achieve this? I'm going to show this to you quickly. I'll show you how it looks first, and you can see there are three shots being played in one frame. So, yes, you will need three shots for this. You can also try with multiple shots, more than three, but I'll show you just with three right now. So you can see what I have done. The topmost shot is right here. Okay, you can see. Then there is the middle shot, which is in the middle. Yeah, then the last shot, which is on the timeline, it's on the up here. Yeah, so what I have done exactly is I'll start with the top shot. I'll show you the entire view, and I'm going to go here and push the transform button, and you will see the entire frame is right here. I haven't cropped it. I can still crop it, but I haven't cropped it. This is the entire frame of this shot. If I bring it down, you can see the entire frame. You can see it. Here I'm going to control Z. So you need to bring your shot, the lowest shot on the top, like this. You can crop it if you want. You can go here and start cropping it, and you can crop it from the top like this. You can hold the point here and you can crop it. Yeah, and you can press done. Then you can go to the middle shot, and I have already cropped it. You can check. I've already cropped this shot, so you can see the points. It's already cropped. Yeah, and if you go to the next shot, you can see the shot is not being cropped. I've kept it as it is, but I'll show you what happens after cropping. So let's press done. I'm going to go to 50%, and you can see everything is being cropped really well. Okay, and this is what I wanted to show you guys. Okay, so this is how simple it is. You stack three shots on top of each other, and you start cropping them, adjusting them. You can increase and decrease your size of the viewer so that you can get the entire shot in your workspace. Yeah, so this is how simple it is. This is used many times by content creators. You can use this for your Instagram reel if you have three shots for your vlog, and you can use this. So thank you so much.